Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Actually, I'm in my dining room. I wanted to do a quick update on why I have not been posting or watching very many videos recently. I rescued a 2-month-old baby. He's a Chihuahua Terrier mix. This is baby Walter. He is just over 3 months old. He weighs just about 6 pounds. I rescued him from a local shelter. He was brought up from Tucson. There were 3 boys and 3 girls. They named them the Brady Bunch crew. The 3 girls were super sweet, but I wanted a little boy. I went to see Greg, but this one is Bobby. I ended up adopting Bobby. He was the runt of the litter. He is thriving in his new home. He is very, very sweet. He loves to play with toys. I did adopt him from a shelter. There were so many dogs in need. I really wish I could have adopted more than just one, but I do have a senior dog, Winston, and I did not want to overwhelm him. I had some very generous neighbors and friends on my Nextdoor app that when I posted about his rescue, they donated lots of toys and equipment for him, and he's been really having a great time. I just wanted to introduce you to him. They said they believe that he is a Chihuahua Terrier mix, and he does have very similar brindling like Winston does. They both have the white patches on the backs of their feet. He has the terrier ears, and he is a feisty little guy. He can only play for a few minutes and then he passes out cold for hours. That is his gator. It's heavier than he is and he loves dragging it around. Is that your gator? Yes, he has baby shark teeth. And I really can't wait for them to fall out because his bites are pretty painful from those super sharp teeth. I have been teaching him that he needs to take his aggression out on his toys and not on my hands. And he's doing pretty well as long as I give him the toys as an option to play with. That's usually what he does. And that is the story behind baby Walter. Thank you guys so much for checking out my new baby. He has been taking up a lot of my time and I love it so very much. Most of you know the king of the house, Winston. He's been adjusting pretty good to the change. Winston is almost 12 years old now. It has definitely given him a little more spirit. It's been good for Winston. This little man, he is quite the handful. He is the sweetest little boy ever. I love him so much. I wanted to get back to my YouTube channel. I'm always trying to do better when it comes to managing all the things that I want to do. My husband and I are at a point in our lives where we're going through a lot of changes. We are getting older, thinking about retirement, making a lot of changes around our home. Our oldest daughter is almost done with graduate school. She will be moving out. There's been a lot going on that has not allowed me the time that I normally would have to give to my YouTube channel. I do hope to do better at managing my time. I'm not always successful with that. I'm sure as many of you know, when you work and you have kids and now taking care of the animals and making changes in your life, time is really valuable. I am working hard to do that, and I have been in my craft room trying to organize it right now. It's a big, huge mess because I did host a big crop yesterday and that was a lot of fun. I sorted through all of my alpha stickers. That was a good time. I'm trying to get him to burn his energy so I can put him down for his nap so that I can get things done. We've been trying to have Winston be the dominant in the house because he's so good. This little Spitfire is still learning. And Winston, don't worry, he's just completely plain. And Winston doesn't even really have teeth, so. Sharon, my bestie over from Cheap to Chic, I know she has already posted this on her channel that sadly her mom has passed away. We're all sending our thoughts and prayers to her. We were talking and deciding if we still wanted to go ahead with the summer vibes that we host. We both decided that we would put up a video or a poll and see if anyone is interested. We're pretty late in our planning. We just wanted to see if anyone would be interested in doing the summer vibes swap. And if there is some good interest, Sharon and I will go ahead and host. We definitely will be hosting the Ghouls Just Want to Have Fun swap for Halloween. That's about the update. He's a little spitfire. He likes to run in circles. And he likes to play with toys. If you would be interested and you want to do the summer vibe swap, yeah, just please leave me a comment down below. I have been having a lot of trouble with my YouTube channel. A lot of my comments don't even show up on anyone's channels. I'm not really sure what that's about. Please leave me a comment down below if you are interested in us still hosting the summer vibe swap, even though it's kind of late in the season. I thank you all for watching my videos, and I do plan on trying to catch up with everyone. I do have some videos that I just need to edit and get them uploaded. I think that's about it. I guess real quick, while these two are still wrestling, I'll kind of show you the aftermath of my crop. This was the giveaway table. This is my craft room, which is absolutely insane right now. I really have to get in here and do some organizing. I had my daughter help me pull some boxes that were in this corner, and this was the alphas that I sorted. This was my cards and envelopes. The rest is just a big old mess. And you know what? Actually, I think I'm just going to go ahead and add my crop to the back of this video. That way it's kind of all in one. I have already actually started the summer vibes. I pulled everything out. I haven't done actually any work yet. I just pulled it out, put it on that counter. Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome to my home. Today I am hosting a crop day. Hopefully you've already seen the video of our new addition. This is Walter. Hi. He's a little puppy rescue. Oh my. And of course, Winston. Here's my craft room. I have not been in here in literally weeks, probably months. And I didn't have time to straighten it out fully, but anything in this room is available for anyone to use. I'm also dog sitting. This is Parker. He's such a good boy. And you, baby. Hi. This is all my stuff that I am putting in for the free table. I do still have to organize it. I set up a table and then just some stools to house it all. We have our candy table. I plugged in a hot glue gun as well as brought out my die cutting machine. I set up 2 big tables. I pushed my dining room table against the wall. We also have the living room where people can sit and eat or craft over there. That's my backyard. People can also use the island, which a lot of people did use last time. This is going to be set up for food. I already have the crock pot of meatballs going. I set out some utensils. I just made the candy salad. And I have some pastries that will be going on these dishes. And I'm pretty much all set to go. I have to pull out the bin that I'm working on today, which is my alphas, getting them organized, sorted, and decluttered. For those of you that don't know, we did our backyard. I think it's going on just over a year ago now. This is what it's looking like. We are in an extreme heat wave this week, so I think the temperature today is going to be 114. It's so bright and hot outside. I doubt we will be out here at all. The dogs still like to come out here and play, especially this one. He loves it outside. That's it. I will definitely try and do some clips when all of my crafty friends arrive. And we'll see you in a little bit. This is one of the bins that I keep all of my alphas in. And I've started to pull it out. These are stamps and stamps. These are ones that are in baggies. I have flat ones, all different kinds. And my goal today during my crop is to purge the ones that I don't plan on using and organizing all the ones that I do have. I want to get rid of this bin, and I'm thinking maybe of getting a binder and keeping the binder in my craft room where it's more accessible. We will see how this turns out at the end.
I just watch her on Murders in the Building. You guys watch her show? Only Murderers in the Building?
Yeah,
That's
very good.
I love that show.
You can leave 10 minutes early. And I was like, okay, bye. You can go back in and change after that. Whatever. So did you come from?
Hi, baby Walter. Hi. You taking a nap? Yeah. This was the somewhat completed project from my crop. I was going through my alpha bin, which is still full of, those are all stamps. These are large sheets, and then these are like baggies. I was able to put all of my flat alphas in this very thick binder. This will be a lot easier for me to now use them and find what I'm looking for. Came out really good. This took forever. I really had a hard time deciding what I was going to keep and what I wanted to get rid of. And I still have to figure out what I'm going to do with that, because if it's back there where it usually is, it's really hard for me to get to. And I still have to sort through my cards and envelopes. Well, hello. What are you doing? He's not allowed in this room. He snuck in here. And I think I'm going to have that binder on this where I keep my smaller stamps and my borders. We will see if I can fit it there. That's my update. I thank you guys so much for sticking around. I hope you're all well. I miss seeing everyone. Please let me know down below if you would still like us to host the summer vibe swaps. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.